You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name. From more confusing names pronounced, stay tuned, including celebrity names. It comes from Italian. This is why it's pronounced. The Italian pronunciation would be Bongiovi. G-I-O, essentially the I is just there to make the J soft before the O, okay? So it's not pronounced like an I, so Bongiovi. Bongiovi, that's Italian. Similarly, in English, Bongiovi. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.